Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to create lists on X. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open the X application, then tap on your profile icon on the top left corner. Here you will see the lists option. Tap on it, then tap on this plus icon in the bottom right hand side. On the next page, first tap on this camera and select a picture for the list from your device. After that, enter its name. I'm writing YT tutorial for now. Then write a description. To make the list private, toggle on this button. It means only you can see it. Once you are done, simply tap on create in the bottom right hand side. Second step is to search here and add people to your list. I'm writing this one for now. You can add according to your requirement. Then simply tap on done and the list created. You can edit this list anytime. And to see your list, simply tap on profile icon on the top left corner, select list, and here you will see all your lists on X. So this is how you can create lists on X.